Today we will see how to create ID. So whenever you want to introduce somebody directly, so first you have to give this your user ID. Where is the user ID and password I am giving. Then enter. So this is the ID of M. Veermani. So now he is introducing N. Oshokan. So first you have to click this vertical line, then go to net, then binary tree. Then from here you have to select this side, left and right side, left and right. Okay, so suppose M. Veermani has is sponsoring me N. Oshokan, left side. This is the left side. So now you have to save it. This is save. So once your record has saved, then you have to go to this icon. You click here. Then you see personal data, sponsor, invitation, web option, document and bank data. From here you have to click invitation. Now one referral link will come. You have to click this referral link. See, here everything written in Portuguese language. To change this Portuguese language, you have to click right side of your mouse, and here you see translate to English. So now here you can see this, everything is translated into English. So now I am filling his name, N. Oshokan, N. dot, then in surname Oshokan, Ashokan, Oshokan. Second surname no need. Here date of birth. From here you can give date of birth 08007/1977. Here you have to give email address, ASHOKKUMARTAN@gmail.com. Now again you copy from here, just copy it and confirm email, you just save it. Now you choose country, India, INDIA. If you choose this, then the India flag will come here. Just you have to select the India flag. Now you write the mobile number 7904286412. Whenever you give a mobile number and email ID, you have to check once or twice. Save and continue. Then here is came username. Username you just give by your own. So I have choose ASHOK, Ashok. Here you can give the password with your choice. So I am giving password. Later on the user can change his or her password. So password is given. Here you no need to give anything, just save and continue. Now address just Tirchi. Just you have to mention the city here, pin code 620012. Now country India, you select from here, and then city, from here you give Tamil Nadu, you select here Tamil Nadu, then city Trichy, TRICHY, Trichy. Now submit. Like this way you have to create a new ID. I will show the ID which has been created just now. ID ASHOK Ashok, and password. See, the ID is created and also can. Now investment is 0, ID is created. Now in next video I will show how to active his ID with pay with balance.